Why could you be leaving $500,000 on the table with your current pension provider? So we've given the example of Scottish Widows Pension Portfolio 2. It's a popular one, but it actually applies to quite a few of them. We've gone through the maths, and the maths isn't simple, by the way. And we've broken it down into simple guides, which you can find from alpeshpatel.com/links. And what you will see is that were you just to use even a simple index tracker over a prolonged period of time, then you end up with about $500,000 more. Now, that's not guaranteed in the future. It's only what's happened in the past. And the past, whilst not a guarantee of the future, can be a pretty good guide if you're just sitting back comfortably thinking it's all taken care of. I've given it to the IFA and the fund manager. Surely they're looking after me. Well, we show you example after example after example where over a prolonged period of time, you're leaving around $500,000 on the table. And that's just starting with a modest amount of just 100K in a pension fund, let alone if you've got $1 million, then obviously multiply that by 10. You're leaving a lot more money on the table by trusting the IFAs and the wealth managers. The least you owe yourself is to have a look at those guides, have a look at what we've published. It's all totally free. And then at least you'll be better informed to challenge the IFA or the fund manager. That's my goal. Through the same link, you'll also be able to download one of my 18 books. They're published by the Financial Times, Palgrave Macmillan, amongst other publishers that I've had, international bestsellers translated into 7 languages. They're also the basis on which I wrote my Financial Times columns and were the basis of my Bloomberg TV shows. So you can download that same link, alpeshpatel.com/links. Even better than that, we'll give you a free pension review as well to look at your holdings, to see what's letting you down, what's costing you in terms of growth, what's costing you in terms of fees, and what you might do to help yourself. Okay, the least you owe yourself is take 5 minutes, go to those links, and be better informed.